NB-IoT Narrowband Internet of Things. It is an emerging technology in the field of IoT, supports cellular data connections over WAN for low-power devices. NB-IoT supports long standby time, efficient connection for devices with high network connection requirements. It also provides very comprehensive indoor cellular data connection coverage. NB-IoT has four major characteristics. One is wide coverage, will provide improved indoor coverage in the same frequency. Coverage area expanded 100 times. Second, it has the ability to support massive connections. One sector of NB-IoT can support 100,000 connections. Supports low latency sensitivity and ultra-low equipment cost. The third is lower power consumption. The standby time of NB-IoT terminal module is as long as 10 years. Fourth, lower module cost. Enterprises expect a single connected module to be no more than $5. Because NB-IoT has its own advantages such as low power consumption, wide coverage, low cost and large volume, so that it can be widely used in a variety of vertical industries, such as remote start, home store control, smart parking, building smart cities, moving towards the connection between people and things. The Internet of Everything is an inevitable trend. NB-IoT Internet of Things is opening up an unprecedented broad market. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Default text if you have any questions or suggestions. Leave your comment below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.